Final expense insurance, also known as burial coverage, is the type of life insurance that is typically marketed or sold to seniors. This is sort of a last option type of life insurance. Most people that get this type of insurance either never had any coverage or are looking to add to their current coverage, but most lost their coverage along the way because it lapsed or expired and never renewed. Whatever the reason, now unfortunately their options are limited. Final expense coverages are typically limited to a maximum of $50,000 of death benefit on a standard policy, unless it's offered with an optional accidental coverage rider which doubles the death benefit should the insured die of an accident for an extra premium. The typical coverage age range is between age 50 to 85 years old. Most carriers reduce the maximum amount available as you get closer to age 85. A handful of carriers go younger. Most final expense policies are whole life, which means that the coverage and premium remain the same from start to finish. But be aware that some final expense policies are sold as an annual renewable term, which means that the premium goes up every 5 years. This is the type that most people end up dropping when they need it most. You've probably seen those TV commercials that sound too good to be true. Well, that is because it usually is. You know the one that promises $9.99 regardless of age. I wish they would outlaw those bait and switch commercials because they do nothing but confuse seniors and make us honest agents look like liars when we quote the proper amount. Now on to underwriting. There are typically two different types of underwriting: simplified or guaranteed issue. Simplified means that they will go through a medical questionnaire and look over your medical and prescription history to determine if they will approve coverage. Otherwise, guaranteed issue means that they will approve you, but there is usually a 2-year waiting period before the full amount of death benefit goes into effect. Some carriers offer what they call a graded policy, which is somewhere between simplified and guaranteed issue. It also has a waiting period. So, a word to the wise? If you would like to leave more than just burial coverage to your loved ones, do not wait till your only choice is a final expense policy. If you or someone you know needs help with this type of coverage, you can reach us at Safe Financial at 985-464-9595. Hope this helps.